This is the bunk for truck 763. I'm pulling it up so that you can see down in here where the this is the filter for the heating system. Well, it may take two hands to do this. I don't have a tripod. Yeah, that's not gonna work either. No. Alright, got it started. Now I'm pulling it out so that you can see just how bad this is. You can see all that crap in there. See if I can get a picture down in there. Alright, so that's the dirty filter. That's the back side of it. It didn't smell like smoke. A smoker lived in here until I ran the heater last night.